Is your internet crawling like it's stuck in 2005? In this video, I'll show you how to supercharge your slow internet speed on PC using advanced 2025 settings that actually work. Let's dive in. First, we'll refresh your entire network stack to remove hidden congestion. Press Windows +X, open Windows Terminal. Admin. Type the following commands one by one, pressing Enter after each. Follow the steps on screen. After doing this, restart your PC. This clears old cached routes, stale DNS, and resets Windows networking to factory settings. You'd be surprised how often this alone doubles your speed. Windows 11 silently reserves 20% of your bandwidth for system updates. Press Windows +R, type gpedit.msc, hit Enter. Navigate to Computer Configuration. Administrative Templates. Network. QoS Packet Scheduler. Double-click Limit Reservable Bandwidth. Enable it and set to 0%. This ensures your PC uses full internet power instead of wasting it. For advanced users, we'll tweak TCP parameters using PowerShell. Open PowerShell as admin and run. Follow the steps on screen. These ensure Windows dynamically adjusts to your connection speed, balancing multiple streams for maximum download and streaming performance. Finally, let's stop hidden background apps from hogging your internet. Go to Settings, go to Apps, Installed Apps. Disable background permissions for apps you don't need online. Open Task Manager, Startup, and disable auto-launch apps like Discord, OneDrive, or game launchers if you don't use them constantly. This dedicates bandwidth to your actual tasks instead of background syncs. And there you go. By resetting your stack, switching DNS, unlocking reserved bandwidth, tuning adapter properties, tweaking TCP, and shutting down background hogs, your slow internet should feel like you just upgraded your plan for free. If this helped you, smash the like button, subscribe.